Are you one of the many Arizonans who owns a swimming pool and hates doing your own swimming pool maintenance, or has previously had a bad experience with pool companies? Well, look no further because Affordable Pool Service and Repair is here for all your pool cleaning service needs. As part of Arizona's premier pool repair and pool cleaning service providers, our team will provide you with local, fast, and efficient pool maintenance in the Phoenix metropolitan area. Our pool contractors are conveniently located all over the valley and can easily find your home for almost any Phoenix pool service needs. Whether it is something simple as a weekly pool service with a pool cleaner or a small repair, our swimming pool service and repair company is there for you with a quick phone call. Our pool cleaning business is not only friendly, but dependable, affordable, and respects and values your time. We will get the job done as you kick back and enjoy your newfound freedom of no more pool cleaning fuss. Affordable Pool Service and Repair offers swimming pool services such as swimming pool cleaning with top grade swimming pool cleaners and certified chemicals. Additional pool services we provide include swimming pool repair, such as pool plaster repair, spa repair, swimming pool leak detection, pool heating repair, and swimming pool resurfacing. With all the countless pool services that we provide, you will no longer have to worry about finding the right people to do all of your swimming pool cleaning services and swimming pool repair services. Don't do your own back-breaking pool cleaning services when you can have a trustworthy pool company that is happy to help you make your pool sparkle even in the dark. Please choose us as your swimming pool contractors by calling today to schedule a free consultation and quote.